Mariah and Willie. We're here with another unboxing video. Willie had some catnip, so he's kind of just off doing his own thing. He should have let me know he didn't want to record today, but he didn't. Anyways, we are going to unbox some Christmas ornaments. So let's get started. So this Christmas ornament is custom made. And you know I totally support family owned, so it's family owned. So it's custom made, so basically I just bought it as a Christmas gift for somebody. So it comes in this, all folded up nicely. And it came with this little thing inside the box, so you can use it as a wrapping gift, which I totally am. What it looks like. Willie's currently sitting at my feet right now, just staring at me with his attitude. Oh, here he comes. But here's the paper. So here it is. This is so cute. And they have all different kinds. They have a lot of different kinds. Hey, Willie. So Willie has 3 names. His name is Willie whenever he's good or just playful. His name is Willis whenever he is acting crazy. And then William whenever he's in trouble. Hey. But this is so cute. This is so cute. And they have multiple different kinds. They literally have like 20 different kinds that you can custom make. And if you see it, like I wrote this on it, Christmas 2020. This is going to my mom, so I wrote my mom's name and her husband's name. And they have all different kinds, Christmas trees, first Christmas, custom made Christmas ornaments that you can make with like our first Christmas and like couples and pets and stuff like that. So there's always those options. But this is so cute. So this is it. So I will link the description below. I just love this ornament. I gotta make sure I'm careful with it so it doesn't break. It doesn't even look that breakable. It's actually pretty smooth. But you know how I am. So. Alrighty guys, well this is all I have for this. You have a great day. See ya.